Skullzilla Travels here again with a blog on some of the things I purchased from Amazon with my Cruise America gift card from buying Skullzilla, and also things I bought before I even knew I was buying Skullzilla from CA. So I bought this. This is one of the first things I bought because I watched all the RV life YouTubers, and they said, you need one of these, and I agree because I do not want leaks because I blew out my system. This one has adjustable water pressure regulation so that if it's, needed, I can adjust it. I also made sure to get one of these. These double Y hose bibs are important to me. I have 3 hoses. I'm a water girl, so I like to have access. These were important for me to buy. Number one, RV water filter in America. I bought these with the Amazon gift card, and I bought a 2-pack. I haven't had to open them yet. I've been putting good water in through the hole on the side instead of connecting up to a water hose. These are important for anybody that is doing automotive, van life. I don't care what you're doing. If you have a car or electrical system to deal with, you want fuses. This set that I got has the micro, the mini, and the standard all in one. So hopefully, if anything happens, I have everything I need for fuse wise. These are very cool to me. My sister has these and she recommended them. They are a little lantern. That one's dead. Gotta stick it back outside. They're little lantern, or they are a string of lights. So if I wanted to make it super special, or have a party outside or anything, or just want to hang outside, I can put my little lantern out there, or I can hang up some lights. Simple, simple. The cool thing is it has this little handle where you just roll them back in like that. I don't know if you can see that, but you can roll them back in and it rolls them up, kind of like a little tape measure. And they go roll them back in like that, and they can be just a hanging lantern, or they can be string lights. And this one I was using last night, and so it needs to go back outside. It's not bright enough right here. See, it starts to charge as soon as it gets into even semi-sunlit areas. This is the jack I found at Walmart yesterday. It is very cool. It casts the shadow, or the light, the eyeball light will go on the ceiling. It looks really cool to me. Personally, I love Jack, so any Jack stuff. This, there was only one left in the store, and it was in a different spot. So there might be other ones out there, but for the area I'm in, that was pretty much the second to last one. And then this is a poop view. You want to see what's coming out. It's got the adjustable end to fit almost any hose area, what's it called, the dump station. It has all those different adjustables. It will attach to your hose, and you can see if you're finished dumping. I had an issue at Love's where I still had a third in there, but I was just over being at Love's. Their pump station was over a curb, and it was causing gravity issues, basically. So I paid $10, so it wasn't that big of a loss, especially because it got most of it out. So anyway, that's my little blog on the things I've bought on Amazon. I will link things down in the description. I can't link Jack, unfortunately, because I'm not affiliated with Walmart, but I am waiting for an email back on that. So thank you everyone who has purchased things from my links so far. I really appreciate it. It helps me and my mom travel. It helps. It helps. Thank you very much. This is Skullzilla Travels, and we want you to be safe out there.